Who says comfort food can't be keto-friendly? If you're hunting for a hearty, satisfying meal that won't throw off your low-carb lifestyle, you're in for a surprise. This potato and minced meat keto recipe is the twist you didn't know you needed. Perfect for family dinners or meal prepping, this dish brings rich flavors, irresistible textures, and that home-style warmth, all while aligning with your keto goals. Let's talk about the ingredients that make this keto potato minced meat recipe a total game changer. Start with 1 kilos, 2 lbs of potatoes. Yes, potatoes, because moderation and method matter in modern keto cooking. Add 450 g, 16 oz of minced beef, which brings the rich, protein-packed base to this dish. Sauté 1 chopped onion in vegetable oil until golden. Then mix it into the seasoned beef with salt, paprika, pepper, and a generous pinch of garlic powder. Pour in 14 oz, 400 g, of diced tomatoes, simmering it into a deliciously savory mixture. The potatoes are gently boiled, then layered into a buttered baking dish. Between each layer of potato, you'll spoon in the minced meat mixture and sprinkle with fragrant chopped dill. Top everything off with 100 g, 3.5 oz, of Manchego cheese, the ultimate melty finish. Pop the dish into the oven at 200 degrees, 400 degrees, and bake for 10 minutes, just until the cheese melts into golden perfection. A quick broil at the end will give it a crisp edge that's simply irresistible. This isn't just a dish, it's a keto revelation. It redefines what's possible on a keto diet meal plan, offering the savory satisfaction of a casserole with none of the guilt. It's ideal if you're searching for keto diet recipes for dinner, or if you're someone who misses traditional comfort food but wants to stay on track with your nutrition. It also makes a great addition to any keto meal prep routine. Just portion it out and enjoy all week long. Why is this keto dish so special? It's because it strikes the perfect balance: high in protein, rich in flavor, and easy to make. Whether you're experimenting with keto diet recipes for weight loss, or you're deep into your low-carb journey, this combo of potatoes and minced meat will keep your meals exciting. Add a fresh side salad or roasted veggies for a full, satisfying plate. In a world where keto recipes often feel repetitive, this one is an absolute standout. With its cheesy topping, rich tomato base, and perfectly spiced beef, it's the kind of meal that makes sticking to your diet feel indulgent. Don't be surprised if your non-keto friends ask for seconds. This one's a crowd pleaser for all diets.